All right, so we're doing some big bag stuff. It is Sunday. We're gonna make homemade donuts. So these are canned biscuits, and I put a hole in. I saw this on YouTube. I put a hole in it to make the hole. So these are canned donuts. I got my grease. I'm not gonna make any donut holes. I'm gonna actually throw these away. Got some powdered sugar, and I got some icing to make the donut. So stay tuned. I got some other breakfast items too. All right, so here's how the donuts came out. Not bad, not bad at all. So I'm gonna glaze them a little bit. I'm gonna test them out and see. Here they are with the the icing on it. Not the prettiest, but not bad. A good activity.
Still tasty though.
Yeah, very tasty. I haven't had one yet, but I would say this is definitely a good activity to do with the kids. They would enjoy it. All right, so I made homemade donuts today. And yeah, let's try them and see. Not bad. What do you say?
What?
About the donuts?
Oh, yeah, really good.
Real good. Not bad. It could be a good activity to do with the kiddos.